Sasha, I'm surprised you were expecting me to be angry that you supported her that day. No way. I know she's your maga, so I wouldn't want to do anything to jeopardize your effort of making her pay. Thank you so much, Helen. Well, I'm glad you understand. You're a friend indeed. So tell me, what's up with you two?
Nothing serious. Just been having misunderstanding.
Really? What happened?
Normal way of being, she's smarter than everyone you see in the entire world. Oh, you know what? You know me, yeah? By the time I'm done with her, she will know that I am the teacher and she's only taking few lessons from me.
Yeah? Light out! Sasha is in the building.
Say that again!
You know.
I used to think it's only men who women make maga out of. Until you taught me otherwise.
Come on, babes. Now a girl got to do what she got to do to survive. Look at, if you see any woman that has money, make her. Let her survive, babe. You got to do what you got to do.
I believe you die.
Please.
It starts with pretending, then it starts caring. Deep down it's guessing. Love don't take no for an answer. Once his mind is made up, once it is rooted in sincerity and purpose, love can fight any battle. Love can go any distance. Yeah. Love is self-blessing in every disguise.
What are you doing here?
Listen, she wants your wife to wake up. Huh? That's not a bad idea. We can have a threesome.
Are you crazy?
She wants to argue here, you want to come with me. Dozie, what is your problem? Why can't we just go to my room and talk in private?
This is all the privacy you can get.
Why are you behaving like a child? You don't know the reason I want us to go to my room, right?
I am not going to the guest room with you.
Okay. Doing it here would not be a bad idea.
Doing what? What exactly do you want from me?
Maybe your wife shouldn't have insulted me. Anyways, it's still a chilly kind of night and I wouldn't mind some body warmth. What you say?
When love hits the ceiling, it kills of retaining. It goes all out to prove it is worth it. It is worth it to fall in love, to love somebody unconditionally. It is a beautiful thing. Oh, it's so healing to be at the same night of love, to be at the same night of love, to be at the same night of love, where nothing really matters.
I'm not going to that room with. I'm not going to sleep in that room if you don't come with me. Please come with me now, please.
To check what out? I'm not going to the guest room. What is your problem?
You're scared of rat now, Abby. You're scared of rats. Maybe I'll go and wake your wife to go with me.
You want to wake my wife? No way. No. I'm still asleep.
Sophia, you don't know what happened. Don't tell me you're honestly afraid of an ordinary rat.
I am not afraid of rats. She should go in there and have a good night rest
Really?
I don't know when we started having rats in this house.
Oh.
Don't listen to him. Come show me what it is, please. You are coming with us. Come on.
Hold and let me behold. No, you what? Oh my goodness! Thank you so much. Oh, Instagram go here. My haters are literally going to. They'll die like they'll.
Nice. Why don't we go inside and celebrate with a bottle of champagne and a good sex?
Are you alright?
If your wife doesn't want to do that, I mean, we can do that on her behalf.
Stop this madness.
You see that? That is beautiful. Wow. Oh, thank you.
It is a beautiful thing. Oh, it's so healing to be at the shine night of love.
Thank you, doll.
Shine night of love. To be at the shine night of
You are so
love.
sweet. Like,
where nothing really matters.
my head is die on the ground today.
It's only love. Love Dikeh. When love hits the Zaynat, it kills us up for
Why don't you
Zaynat.
take your selfie with 2 phones?
Oh, wait.
It goes all out.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
It is what it to fall in love, to love somebody passionately.
What did you just say? No, what did you just say?
Madam, I'm saying that I have done my best. I'm just waiting for God to do His own best.
Listen to me, I don't care which man of God you gave my money to for prayers or whatever, I don't care. Wait, what is that even supposed to mean?
Madam, it means that I gave the money to some men of God to pray for the success of your plans.
Kenny, I told you to cash a check for me. That was my instruction. I told you to cash a check for me, and you have the nerve to stand here and tell me cockapoo story, Kenny. Listen to me. If I do not see my money in 10 minutes, I'll make sure that the police treat you as a criminal.
Madam, it hasn't gotten to that yet now. See, it's not like I don't know that you asked me to keep the money. Madam, I know now, I know.
You know? No, I'm not sure you know.
I kept the money here, madam. It was there.
It was here until I started thinking of how to help you in your problem.
Madam,
are you mad? Kelly, let me tell you, if I do not get my money this minute, Kelly, you are going in for a big one.
Madam, to arrest me.
I will deal with you, Kelly. You think you're a good criminal, right? A robber does not rob a robber. You've never heard of that?
Madam, I am not a robber now.
You will give me my money this minute.
It's for the success of your program, your plans, eh? So that it will work.
Femi, we are good to go. She's happy with her new car. That one. I don't even know her plans. But I'm sure everything is going to work out for you. Good day. Not you. Okay, no problem. Talk to that. Alright. How are you?
I'm not very fine, sir.
What's the problem?
I'm so sorry I have to say this, sir. But I don't have a choice.
What is the problem?
Sir, it's about your wife.
What about her?
I don't know how or when I've offended her. She told me that she's giving me just 1 week to pack her things. And I'm very sure I have never insulted her, not even once, sir. And I'm not even owing her house rent.
It's alright. I'll talk to her about it. You have nothing to worry about.
Don't leave me now, madam. If you don't leave me, see, I will hurt you.
Oh, shut up! You do nothing. I will shred you. I'll pieces you. Left, right, and center. Oh, you think I'll be at the bottom?
Madam, I'm respecting you.
You never see the street side of me.
Madam, you've been slapping me. I've been respecting
mad. You. Oh, yeah, raise hand now. You are crazy. Try it. You will do nothing. I will deal. Look at this young man. You don't know me, oh. Okay. You don't see at the...
Security! Is everything alright in there?
Security? Yeah. No, everything is alright. Please come in.
What's the problem?
You see this man? He is a thief. He stole my 1 million naira. So please go get me security men.
Madam, is it fair? Is it fair? See, madam, leave me alone. Madam, I'll hurt you. Madam, I'll hurt you. Madam, hey, madam, see, I'm respecting you. I'm respecting you. I will hurt you, madam. Madam.
I'll keep you.
Liz, what are you doing here?
Why won't you come and join me?
Where is my wife? Sophia! Sophia!
And why are you calling her? She's not bothered about us.
Where is my wife?
Well, I asked her to go and celebrate her new car with her friends. That's a good idea. I mean, we have the house all to ourselves.
Now, get off that bed and out of this room.
Do you want your wife to know about us?
There is no us. Do you understand? You should be worried about what she would do to you if she finds out you have designs on me. And I promise you it's not something pleasant. Now get out.
When we were friends, we fought each other. We made mistakes.
Sasha! Sasha!
What's the meaning of this?
Hey, girl.
Sasha. What are you doing here?
Listen, come on. I'm so sorry I used wrong words to you the last time I was here. I'm so sorry, but guess what? Your plan worked. My husband just bought me a brand new car and it's parked right outside.
I swear. Congratulations.
Oh, come on. You still sound cold. Sasha, I'm sorry. I mean, I can't believe it. Your plan worked. Like, can get anything at all I want from him. Anything at all I ask him for, I can get. I can even get a brand new car if I want.
So did you come here to tell me that your husband got you a car? Or the fact that you're ready to give me the old one?
Sasha, but it's not about the car. It's about the fact that I can get anything I want from him. Anything at all. But it's fine. I'll give you the old one, but not now. So he doesn't begin to think he just bought me a new car and I gave her the old one just like that.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. But it's really a good idea not to give men breathing space.
I told you now.
He is never getting any breathing space from me again. Never.
So, are you giving me the car? You need to be fast too. Give me the car fast.
Yes. You will discuss celebrating. I will not give him any breathing space again. No breathing space.
Where is he?
I think you should call the manager. We reported the case to him.
Okay, where's the manager?
He drove out with the thief and the other security.
What kind of cock and bull story is that? Can you hear yourself speak? No, like, can you hear yourself? Listen, if I do not see my money, I will make sure that all of you end up in jail.
Jail? Madam, I don't have anything to do with your money.
What did you say?
I did not see any.
Listen, come. Where did you say your
Hey, madam!
Where did you say your manager is? Huh?
If you know how much I hate it each time we go to functions with Dozie and his lousy wife, I get so pissed off.
It's okay, honey. It will soon be over.
Dozie is a nice guy, but that Sophia girl is something else. You need to see how she talks to Dozie. Blah 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 blah. No manners at all.
With the help of Chief Williams, I will separate them. When Sophia comes to the dinner meeting and realizes that Dozie is there with another girl as his wife, same girl who lives in the same house with them, same girl he introduced to his wife as his cousin. With the kind of life Sophia lives, the house will be a world war.
And I will so blow it out of proportion that Sophia will have no choice than to pack her things and leave Dozie and the marriage. I will hit her where it hurts the most.
The beautiful twist was that I had planned bringing in another girl for Dozie. But as God may have it, he chose another girl. Else, he would have blamed it on me.
And there is no way they will ever imagine that the elaborate plan was done by my sweetheart husband. Just to free Dozie from the shackles of Sophia.
Yeah.
What is your problem?
Who are you trying to be better than? Do you think your wife will ever believe that you don't sleep around? Oh, well, that is what every woman thinks of her man. But you know what? It's better for you to indulge yourself than abstaining from it, okay?
You have done enough damage. I was stupid to have allowed you blackmail me into bringing you here. But that's where it ends.
I think it's time I told your wife everything.
We had an agreement. And I would appreciate it if you stick to it. Honey, you're
welcome.
back. Honey, you're back.
What happened?
Sophia, you know...
She said she's no longer happy here and wants to leave.
Please. Why would you want to leave?
Have I upset you in any way? Has he upset you in any way? Why are you upset?
Man, it's not about you. You've been most wonderful. But it's just that...
She was supposed to go visit one of my uncles. She changed her mind. Now she wants to leave this place because she wants to leave because I insisted she should go see my uncle. And if I allow her to go, some family members will think that my wife threw her out.
Sophie, can I tell you everything that happened?
Listen, the agreement is that I will take you there and bring you home, no matter how late.
And I insist, I'm not going anywhere again.
What God has put together, let no man put asunder. Let no man come in between.
Honey?
Love is a beautiful thing, yeah.
Sasha! Sasha!
This is your car, eh? I can't wait to cruise it. Leave that car matter. No be that car matter and they do me now. You understand what I mean now? Because sometimes if I look myself at the short side, I get sense, I don't be mumu. But at times if I can't check again, I can't arrange, I can't balance, I calculate, I can't deduct myself whether I get sense or I don't get sense. But right now, I did very, very certain. Say, I'm confused.
There's something about my husband and his cousin that isn't right at all. What it is, I can't put in favor, but I'm certain something is not right. It's not for me. It not get sense. It no arrange. It no arrange. It no arrange.
Sophie!
No.
Oh. I thought we were driving after.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sophie, is everything okay?
Everything is fine. My sister-in-law. My sister-in-law now. I'll tell you so. Your sister-in-law? What's happening? Yes, now? No. You can talk to them when they come back. Just relax. Hey.
According to my friend, you'll be sister-in-law.
You and I know say you no relate to this man. It even be possible for this life to go relate to this man because many from the same village. Bros, I don't know what happened. I don't even want to know. But the small one alone will say, I go pay una. And if una no pay, I go carry my friend self, go tell my friend.
Sasha, do you have my money?
Boss.
What's going on there?
Nothing. Boss, if you agree to pay, just go meet my friend. Tell us everything they okay. Hug her. Tell us everything they fine.
What
but if una no won't pay.
Going on there?
Nothing. If una no go pay, don't understand.
Hug me now, Sophia. See, Dozie is my brother, and he's your husband. I just want to apologize the other day why I argued with him. Please forgive me. Please. Okay.
Sophia, forgive the girl. Everything not okay. Everything is settled.
What is your name?
Sir, my name is Kelly, sir. Sir, honestly, I didn't steal the...
I only asked your name, nothing else.
I'm sorry, sir. You'll be really sorry when I don't find what I'm doing.
Listen, this hotel belongs to me, and no one has ever lost any item. You stole from one of my guests, right?
Yes, I did, but I...
Did you steal from Neka?
Yes, but I...
Where is the money?
Sir! It was the girl that came to my room and she stole the money. She came to my room and she stole the money, sir.
I'll go through the security camera. I will know who this girl is.
Listen to me. If you do not call your manager now and ask him where he took the idiot that took my money, I will deal with you. Call him and ask him.
Hello? Yes, Chief. Okay. Oh, okay, Chief.
And you, don't think that you've seen the last of me yet. Get out.
I did see your money, madam.
Out.
Shh. Madam, I don't know what you will do.
Listen, I've been thinking about this whole thing. I want to know why Sasha is blackmailing us.
Why are you asking me that question? Didn't you see her before you? Why didn't you ask her? Please, don't disturb me, please.
You are leaving this house. Because I am not going to allow you to drag me into something I know nothing about.
I see how much you fear your wife. Oh well, just allow me leave this house and I will spill the beans on you.
Just go in there, pick your bag and leave.
Okay. I have to call your wife and tell her that I'm leaving.
You dare not do that.
Fine. You can have my phone. But you get ready to explain to your wife why you seized my phone. Oh no! Hold it. Once she comes back, I will tell her why I am leaving and why you seized my phone.
Sasha, I want to know what you told my husband and Bliss. I know him. And I also have a little idea of the kind of person that Bliss girl is. And I'm wondering, what did you say to them that made them mellow down? I mean, nobody is even arguing with me. What exactly did you say to them?
Did I ever tell you I went for peace and consolation course in Abuja?
How do I want to concern me?
Well, that was where I learned how to make peace and reconcile differences. It's a course that enhances your ability to survive in conflict zones. I thought I was going to make use of it one of these days, and I did. It's an awesome tool. Thank me later. You're happy, are you not?
Oh yes, I am.
Why did you say that?
Well, because something doesn't seem right. I mean, I have my suspicions, but I don't want to voice it out. The girl looks very familiar, like someone I've met before.
Sophia, you worry too much. You have no reason to suspect those here. I can hardly defend any man in this life, but only has to do with those your husband.
Not when I see them in certain positions that is not pleasing to the eye.
If you have doubts about her, then call your mother-in-law.
That one. If that one had a way of throwing me out of my husband's house, she would have done so long ago.
You have nothing to worry about then.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Alright, okay.
Babes, if you want food, I can arrange food for you.
Thank you.
You did alright?
Yes.
a very good job at laying her fears. The more she trusts Dozie, the harder it will hit her when the bubble bursts.
If only she knew how much I had listened to her.
Like I said, you have nothing to worry about. My boys will find the girl and will get your money back.
Thank you very much, Chief. I really appreciate this.
But how could you trust him with such amount of money?
I blame myself for what has happened. Because I have always believed that every other person is like me. And as trustworthy as I am, now I know better.
Sir, I am not a thief. I am not, sir. See, sir, my madam is the cause of all this. If she had not roped me in her plans of making things very difficult for Dozie, I wouldn't have been involved.
What plans?
Okay, sir. See, sir, my madam wants Dozie to fall in love with her. Eh? And Dozie is already married to another girl. So she wants to liquidate Dozie and make the wife leave him so she can come in, help Dozie and marry him. That's her plan, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
If you lie to me about
sir,
this...
I cannot lie to you. I can't. I'm a very honest man, sir. I don't lie.
Now tell me about Dozie.
Yes, sir.
It's alright. Don't even worry about it. I am making this promise to you. Your money will be given back to you.
Thank you so much, Chief. Thank you. You know, I'm glad. Because that fool was not handed over to the police. I mean, who knows what would have happened?
I take care of my own business.
Talking about business.
I know what you are about to say, but rest assured, I am still on it.
But don't you think this is taking a lot more time? I mean, because I'm sure that the owners of that business, they don't have what it takes to stand against you.
Do you know why I am so successful in business?
Please indulge me.
I don't underestimate my rivals or enemies.
Who are you? What do you want in my house?
Where is the money?
What money? I don't know what you're talking about.
The money you stole from the hotel.
Guy, I don't think she has the money. Let's kill her. No, please don't kill me. Please, I beg you, don't kill me. Okay. Yes. The money is with my boyfriend. Okay, I'll call him. He will bring the money. Please don't hurt me. Please.
So, if you call him, he will bring the money.
Yes,
Guy, find something to tie her up.
Sasha. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Please, I beg you, don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
When love is the silent, it kills of retaining. It goes all out to prove it is worth it. It is worth it to fall in love, to love somebody.
What is the problem? Since you go back from... Where did you even go?
Monitoring spirits. They don't send you, Abby. Just arrange yourself, make you pack paper with your face like you done with a chew. Never let me talk, or else I will buy that cast to now. Last, you must hear.
And that's not a nice thing to say.
To who? Not a nice thing to say to who? Now who this girl be? Now they ask you now to say, now who this girl be?
She's my cousin.
The thunder will go strike you. The thunder will go strike you. It didn't kill. In fact, that thunder, you don't get conscience.
Sophia, why are you talking to me like this?
What's into the top? What's in the top?
No worry. I said, may you answer my question. This girl now your second wife. I be now your cousin. Who this girl be?
What? Sophia?
Yeah. Roll over. Roll go that side. I talk to my husband, no have your mouth. Roll over, go that side. I call your name. Answer the question.
You want to know who she really is?
Yes, I want to know.
Sophia, she is my cousin. Here. Call my mother on the phone. Ask her who Bliss is.
Baby, just to give me bitter sweet, oh. Sweet, oh. My baby, baby. Yeah.
Who I am?
No, sir.
I hate it when people steal from those under my protection.
I'm sorry, sir. It will never happen again.
You said if we call your boyfriend, that he will return the 500,000.
Yes, sir.
Who is he and what does he do for a living?
His name is Dozie, sir. He owns a company that
Is there any problem?
I love doing business with serious-minded and focused people. You have proven yourself to be one of those people by helping me with this deal. I owe you one. In fact, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need my help.
Thank you very much, Chief. I really appreciate it.
I want to do something for you right now. One good turn truly deserves another. What can I do for you?
Chief, I don't think there is anything...
What are you thinking? I am not God that does impossible things. Just think of something a human being like me can do.
Chief, I understand. Chief, there is a little problem I think you can be of help with.
And what could that be?
Chief, let me go straight to the point. My partner's wife is a big threat to our business. And as long as she's married to him and interferes in our business, we will close down sooner than later.
Are you asking me to help you separate legally married couples?
Chief, it's not as if I am happy to see them separate, but Chief, this wife of his is trouble. She's bad-tempered, argumentative, and very uncooperative in every sense of that word. But my friend is madly in love with her.
Your name is Sophia, and you're his wife.
Yes, she's my wife.
The question was meant for her, not you. Does the name Sasha mean anything to either of you?
No, sir.
I know you're having problems with her, but she's still your friend.
Okay, honey. Yes, sir. Sasha used to be my friend.
It's that day, President Central Center.
What do you know about my money?
Money, I don't know what they're talking about.
Sasha said you are her boyfriend. She said you have the 1 million naira I'm looking for. If I don't get the money, you and your wife will pay dearly. Where is the money?
I am not Sasha's boyfriend. I am not. I don't have her money. I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm out of here.
Sit down. I said sit. If you make any more move, you're dead.
I have a confession to make. I swear to God, sir. Sister, I am not his wife, oh. I don't know what he's talking about, seriously. He actually hired me to play as his wife, sir. I am not his wife. Sir, please. Just believe me and let me go.
What exactly happened?
I don't know how to put this, but as it stands now, our business is gone. Bliss, she stupidly opened up before Chief Williams and told him she's not my wife. And now he sees me as a liar and probably a loser. I wish I could just lay my hands on that girl. Baby, what do we do now?
Honestly, I don't know. Maybe we'll take some time and think about it.
We don't have time.
What do I do then?
Maybe you can, talk to him. Tell him he doesn't have to punish you because of my mistake. Convince him to leave our business alone. You can do this for us.
I will see what I can do.
Okay? Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
I will put a call across to him and I will meet him up wherever he is.
I appreciate. Thank you. I appreciate. Okay? Thank you. I appreciate.
All right. No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hi.
Hello. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you, Dozie?
I'm fine. Sit.
That's all right.
So, what can I do for you?
Dozie, I've been thinking about our little encounter the other day.
And I don't know why, but I've been very uncomfortable.
Dozie, you and I, we used to be very close, remember? Look, I want you to see this from my perspective.
Okay.
You look worse today than you looked the day we met. But it's okay, let's forget about your looks for now. I'm only here to help. Dozie, I know that you're going through a lot right now. I mean, it's obvious. But whatever the problem is, as long as money can solve it, Please let me help.
Thank you for coming. This is getting more interesting. Please sit down.
Where's my husband? I haven't come here to sit down or ask for a job. I only came because you said you had something.
You wanted a job from my company. If I were to hire you, or if I were to offer you a job, what academic qualifications do you have?
What?
You have a degree. Did you graduate from the university?
That is none of your business. I'm only here because you said you wanted to tell me something about my husband. That's all.
Sit down. Sit down so that I can tell you something very interesting about Femi, Bliss, and your friend Sasha.
Josie, how can you insist that you do not need help from me? When you and I know that everything is not fine with you.
Naija, have I committed any crime by insisting that I don't need your help?
No! But the truth is that
That settles it, that's it. That settles it. I know you're trying to be a good friend. I appreciate that. But I'm sorry, I'm done accepting help.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if my words triggered one or two raw nerves. Please forgive me.
There's nothing to forgive you. You're just being a good friend.
Okay then, so can we go for dinner later tonight? My treat. I'm sorry I have to leave now. Something very important just came up. But
the dinner offer still stands, so please, give me a go.
What? Chief Williams wants to see me. This is magic. Oh my, Femi has just performed the magic.
Sophia! What are you doing here? You are part of them. You ordered them to kidnap me.
shut up. Let me not hear Sophia from that mouth of yours anymore. You are such a nuisance.
Sophia, no matter what
I
you should
said, do not mention my name. You are a bad person. I asked you the other day, what did you say to my husband and that nuisance called Bliss? What did you tell me? I went for this course in Abuja on management settlement quarrels. Well, I now know everything. Do you think you lied to me and you're trying to blackmail my husband? You want him to give you 500,000 naira, else you're going to tell me Bliss wasn't his cousin after all, right? You are a nuisance. Broad daylight nuisance. That's what you are.
Sophia, no matter what, you shouldn't have.
Shut up your mouth. Stop calling my name, else I will kill you. I be you like Mugu. I be you like your Mugu. Don't mess around now. Don't mess around with me. No, you don't want to. Don't mess around with me. No, no, no.
Sophia, look.
I said do not mention my name, else I will slap you.
Hey.
He means sit.
what he said.
Chief, I don't understand.
Are you aware that if I buy your company, you might not be able to buy it back?
Chief, we have an agreement.
Do you have a copy of such an agreement?
But sir...
Do you have a copy of the agreement?
No, sir. It's an oral agreement. But I believe as gentlemen, we...
Gentlemen, you say? Did you think I agreed to your request because I am a gentleman?
Not really. But you said that one good turn deserves another.
If I let you buy back the company, how will you bring back your partner?
Chief, my partner is a good guy. I don't have a problem with him. He will still remain my partner in the company, but on one condition, that his wife will not step foot in that company again.
And why is that?
I don't think what her problem was. In each passing day, it became worse. She argued over things she knows and things she knows nothing about. Sometimes, I can't help but imagine how my friend Dozie copes. I don't know how he has managed to be with her all this while. But Chief, she has made us lose most of our valuable clients.
Now me that nuisance they talk about. No, but now me that madman they talk about. You know? Fair enough.
Chief, I honestly don't know what she thinks when she does certain things. I know how many times she has insulted my wife.
Are you sure of all these allegations?
Chief, this is not an allegation. Do you know the last straw that broke the camel's back?
Tell me all about it.
Chief, we had little differences with our biggest client. He had every right to be angry. Dozie and I were trying to calm him down. Then Sophia walked in, insulted the man and wouldn't let go. Until the client decided to sever his relationship with our company. That was the day I decided to do whatever I can to either stop her from coming to the office or Dozie leaves her and marry someone sensible.
All right. So are you telling me to overlook Dozie's mistake?
Yes, please.
Bring him in. I have a mission to write. You can wait for me.
God won't expose bad leg if they bring her come outside make everybody see. God don't expose you and all the evil plans what you get for me.
If you have sense in this score, you should know that it's an attitude that put us in this mess.
Who be us? What you consign me and you? Which mess?
I don't think you'll be as bad as you are today. If being this way is your destiny.
Hey, don't insult me, you. Not try and. No insult me.
Hey, no. If you two don't shut up now, you won't lie. You think you're on vacation, right? You won't mess up my boss at you. Oh no.
Wait. I don't want no lies.
No lies.
Then go ahead.
The truth is that I love my wife. But I had to make arrangements for Bliss to come to your dinner party with me. I've had some very bad experiences with my wife over official outings. So I didn't want that embarrassment. Bliss deviated from our agreement and then blackmailed me into bringing her into my house. She tried everything she could to make me have sex with her in my house.
She did? Why would she do that in your own house?
Apparently, she was trying to spite my wife for disgracing her at the restaurant where we met.
I talk am say that girl face I don't see him before. That can be the girl where the restaurant with those. Una too dey lie. Lie too full on her mouth. Una too dey lie. Ha!
Leave me out of whatever you're talking about.
Lie man. Lie man. Ha! If I don't keep person for here today.
So your problem with your wife is her attitude?
She suddenly changed into someone I think it has to do with her relationship with Sasha.
Tell me all about it.
I really don't like discussing my wife, but I don't think I have any choice now. Sophia used to be very loving and caring. But then she suddenly changed. I just realized that she argues over everything. She wants to have her way over everything.
She makes it difficult for me to even have a decent conversation with her, and it's killing me.
It's all right. She has heard everything you said.
What are you talking about?
Your business partner, Femi, is also here. I think he has something to tell you.
To be at the shine night of love. To be at the shine night of love. To be at the shine night of love. Where nothing really matters but love. It's only love. Love that cares. Love so beautiful. So beautiful. Love is a beautiful.
You see your life now? You see your life?
No, you don't see your life. You carry girl, come to our house, come to them say the girl are your cousin. You don't see your life now.
Sorry. I'm really sorry about this. I tried to explain that. I tried to tell you the truth about the whole thing, but each time I brought it up, you wouldn't listen. You would talk and talk.
Basket mouth, don't start to leak again. Oh. Basket mouth, don't open mouth again. Oh. Now give me that now. Then basket mouth. Mouth in the close. Now talk now. They always my mouth in the close. Basket mouth, don't open mouth again. Oh. Now be. So can you listen? Don't tell me I listen with my father. Don't tell me that kind of talk. Because now this talk, now you don't take food. This hunchback one, head. Don't make I don't plan the way I'll take come from my house. This one, this camel, where they get hunchback, see and there. Now you want to sell your company, don't come in this one, we get money. Say you want to sell your company, you come buy and back. Then if you don't come become a partner, you go tell you before you go become a partner, you must try to not go near the company again.
Now think this hunchback kangaroo the plan. See and there, camel.
Femi, what is she talking about? What? Is it true?
Silence! You all are still in my house. I will appreciate it if you respect yourselves and don't throw tantrums in here.
What's the for you?
scatter my marriage, Abi? Your plan is to scatter my marriage. And yourself you just do, you know. And yourself you just do. Big TV now will give you, consider to watch her. Big TV now will give you, consider to watch her. So, and they tell you now. Bros, I used to come and beg you, I beg. Sophia, my beg. I respect you too much. I too respect you, but so beg. Sophia. Hey.
I am in the middle of this because you all decided I am a moron. A tool you can use to achieve your stupid and selfish aims. Is that how stupid you all think I am? When I realized my role in this, I played along. And I brought all of you here to tell you what I did. You are all brainless. All of you. Sasha. And please, if I set eyes on both of you in this town again, you are as good as dead. And the rest of you, get out of my house and go sort yourself out. Get out! I said get out!
Yes, I'm going to the village.
By this time, I hope all is well.
All is well. I just got a call that my mom is very sick, so I need to go.
Your mom? Sasha, you told me sometime last year that your mom died when you were.
Okay, I told you that. My stepmother. My stepmother, mother, what's the difference? Look, I really need to go now.
Your stepmom? The same woman you've been praying for to die because she hates you and made your father hate you.
I have forgiven her. I mean, this is not normal to forgive people that have offended you. I have forgiven her, that's why I'm praying for her funeral. I'm going to treat her. I am going to take care of her. Sasha, what is going on? Everybody that comes to me, tell them I'm not forgiving her.
What is it? No, what is it?
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for what happened. See, I didn't intend to steal from you. It's that girl, Sasha. She came to my room and she stole the money. Madam, I swear to God, I trusted her. I'm sorry.
You're a bloody liar. Have I not warned you to stay away from me? Have I not told you not to come close to me again? No. Don't you ever come close to me again.
Don't you ever slap me again.
When we were friends, we built each other, making mistakes, correcting each other. Now I don't know what we've become. Ain't not wing good love for night. you just to give me bitter leave? Oh, baby, baby.
Am I that cantankerous?
You've been irritated, difficult to deal with, ill-mannered, ill-tempered.
I've been all of that to you. You know I love you.
Yes, I know.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have listened to Sasha. It's just a crazy way of hiding my inadequacies. I didn't know when I took it too far and crossed my boundaries. But I love you and I'm truly sorry. Please forgive your wife. Please.
I have forgiven you a long time. And I also ask you to forgive me in any way I have wronged you.
No, there's nothing to forgive. I honestly thought if you knew I wasn't a graduate, you'd stop loving me or you'd leave.
Why would I do that? My duty as your husband is to stand by you and support you all the way.
Thank you. I guess it's not too late for me to go back to school and complete my studies.
Now that's my girl.
And I'll support you all the way.
You're a good person. Hmm? Say it again. Bad. What? You're a bad person.
Why you just give me bitter sweet, my baby? I know it's been a long time. I don't want to let you know. Say I love you no matter what, no matter what, baby. Baby, you be bad person. I mean, say you be good person. Yeah. Baby, you be bad person. Yeah. I mean, you be good person. Yo, baby.